the case. There's the readout of the temperature. You'll have to forgive the shop. It's a shop. Can you answer that? Say best deal.
Here's your bartender, Tony. You get us set to go. It's the all request lunch hour. That's what we're serving. Your request, dedications for the next hour. We do it every weekday at this time. So why don't you get us started?
This is in that paint. There's nothing wrong with the glass right here. That's in the paint. Little chip there or whatever.
Yeah, right. That wasn't a very convincing no. No, that you just don't want to mention names, right?
As you can see, the upper light works and the lower light works. And if you want to turn the lights off, there's this little button here, which you can do that. And turn it back on. And then you can adjust the temperature. But the temperature range on this is between 35.6 and 44.6. It's a guy on a furnace. Okay. And here, that's just a little bit of paint that's chipped just a tiny bit. But that's it. That dropped to 33, so the compressor shut off, and it'll kick back on as it warms up. You got your top shelf. You could probably use cleaned a little bit. And then your bottom shelf. And there you have it. There's your case. Just like your customers will see it. Thank you very much for your business.